How to create Amazon product review video. Hello, welcome to Clever Marketing. As an Amazon affiliate, have you been trying to create Amazon product review videos like these ones?
Let's unbox the Ashthorpe Jr. drum set. Check out this metallic silver finish, super sleek and modern. First impression, everything feels sturdy and well packed. Here's the 16-inch bass drum, compact but solid. The poplar hardwood shell looks premium and durable.
All right,
This
let's
one?
unbox the Vizio 40-inch Full HD Smart TV. First impression, super sleek, modern thin frame design. It's surprisingly lightweight, easy to set up solo. The bezel is ultra thin, looks premium in any room. Let's check out what's in the box. So we've got the TV, remote, batteries, and power cable.
This one?
Challenge. Can a mattress deliver restful sleep and stay fresh? Let's put the Zinus 5-inch green tea memory foam mattress to the test. Timer set, 24 hours for full expansion. Unboxing the Zinus mat.
This one?
Ever feel like pet hair is everywhere, no matter how much you clean? I used to spend hours chasing fur balls and crumbs every day. Vacuuming under the couch? Forget it. My old vacuum never fit. And don't get me started on tangled brushes. What a mess. But then I found the iLife V2 robot vacuum cleaner.
This one?
Are you comparing smart TVs for your next upgrade? Let's break down what makes a TV truly stand out. First, most standard TVs offer basic HD resolution, but Vizio delivers full HD 1080p for sharper clarity. Typical TVs use edge lighting, causing uneven brightness. Vizio's full-array LED backlight ensures
If you've been trying to create Amazon product review videos like the ones that I've shown, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create one just like that in less than 15 minutes. So as an Amazon affiliate, Amazon have different type of products to select from. Some of us have specific product or niche that we sell the product. So with this video, I'll be showing you how you can create Amazon product review videos and earn some commissions. So first, you go to Amazon website and you click on all. You have the bestsellers, the new release, movers and shakers, and when you come here, you get the digital content and devices. So what we do is we go to the bestsellers or the new release. Let's do the bestsellers. So once we click on the bestseller, it'll bring us to this page, and always make sure you select a product that have more reviews. As you can see here, this one have 116,000 reviews. This one have 85,000, and this one have 10,000. So let's say with this video, I will use this to create the Amazon product review video. So you click on it to select it, and what you do next is you copy the URL, and then you take it to this website here, which is Jog AI. Jog AI is what I use to create all the videos that I showed you. So what I do, I click on create video, and they have different options, but I will choose URL to video. I'll select, and once I select, I'll paste the URL here and click on create. So what it does is it goes in Amazon and analyze product details and copy all the important details of the product so that you can get a nice video. And to get Jog AI, at this moment, they have free trials that you can go to the website, jog.ai, to give it a try. So now it's analyzing product details. As you can see, it's done. So already give you the title, highlight, which is the specs or specific, and audience, which fitness enthusiasts, runners, strength trainers. And then what I do, it will also give you the video media, which it gives you all the videos and the pictures. So I can take some just to make it easier. And when it comes here, it says video setting for TikTok or Instagram, you can do 9:16, but I'll be doing YouTube, so I do 16:9. And then the time, I'll select, you have up to 300 seconds, which is 5 minutes, so I'll do 4 minutes or less. And then I'll come here and select my avatar, which is avatar setting. So since it's health and fitness, I'll choose health and fitness, and I can pick any of the people here, which I'll pick the lady. And then select next. So it says generating smart script. What Jog AI does is it will write the script for you for your video, or you can go to ChatGPT and get your own script. And when you have your own script, all that you have to do is you click here, use your own script. So now we have these scripts here, which is don't worry, and sometimes give us 2 or more challenges, or you can click on generate more, which I'll just do the don't worry. I'll select that and click on next. So it says generating videos. So as you can see, Jog AI is doing it magic. And as we all know, in case you want to be, this video is purposely for those that are Amazon affiliates or that are already Amazon partners that are looking for ways to create videos to promote the product so that they can earn commission. But if you're new and you would like to sign up for Amazon to become a partner or an affiliate, all that you have to do is go to Google and type in Amazon affiliate, and it'll come and you'll just sign up, fill out all the information, and once you get approved, you can start promoting Amazon product. So now we have different types of videos here to choose from. So this is floating avatar, voiceover, simple product switch to avatar bubble, which I really most of the time I like using. So what it does is I'll click on it
Ever lost your phone or keys while working
and
out?
see how it looks.
Struggling to find a vest that actually fits your body? Comfortable straps digging into your shoulders during runs?
Okay.
About visibility when running at night? Scared of uneven weight distribution causing discomfort or injury? Buy vests that chafe or restrict your movement.
Okay, so this one here, or you can choose to change the avatar and the voice. So what I'll do is I'll render it. And it says estimate time more than 5 minutes, but mostly it's less. So as you can see, it will start loading, rendering the video. So as you can see, it's ready. And let's see.
Ever lost your phone or keys while working out? Struggling to find a vest that actually fits your body? Uncomfortable straps digging into your shoulders during runs? Worried about visibility when running at night? Tired of uneven weight distribution causing discomfort or injury? Frustrated by vests that chafe or restrict your movement? Need a vest that can keep up with intense workouts? Wish your gear could handle both indoors and outdoors? Introducing the Zealous Weighted Vest, your new workout essential. Built with premium neoprene, this vest is made to last. Double stitching and iron sand filling for extreme durability. Reflective stripes enhance your safety during night runs. Stay visible and confident, even in low light conditions. Detachable front zipper pockets keep your valuables secure. Rear elastic mesh pocket adds extra convenience for storage. No more worrying about losing your phone or keys. Cushioned shoulder straps offer gentle, non-chafing comfort. Enjoy complete mobility and go the extra mile with ease. Adjustable buckle straps ensure a snug fit for most body types. Fits chest sizes from 31.5 to 45 inches securely. Evenly filled with iron.
So as you can see, this is how I've been creating my Amazon product review videos. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe to Clever Marketings. Thank you.